Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can disable website notifications entirely for your Comet AI web browser in 2025. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so if you don't like the idea of receiving these website notifications from various websites, in the top left corner here on Comet AI, you may disable them for specific websites or globally for entire browser. So what you want to do in Comet AI is simply launch it and access your browser settings in the next step. To do that, click into that arrow down icon in the top right, click into settings here, and after that navigate to privacy and security to the left. In the next step, click into site settings there. And here under permissions, you will see the notifications. Click into it to customize your notification settings and to set the default behavior, as well as for customized behaviors if you'd like to give specific websites the permission to keep sending you these notifications. Now, on default, the behavior will set to sites can ask you to send notifications, which means whenever you visit a new website or for the first time here on Comet AI browser, the given website will ask you for permission to send you these web notifications or browser notifications whenever it fits. However, guys, you want to check if you want to, for example, switch to this option here, don't allow sites to send you notifications. If you'd like to block these notifications entirely, even that asking whenever you visit a website for the first time here on Comet AI. And yeah, it's up to you which version you go with. You may also customize this permission here and, for example, select that option, collapse unwanted requests, which is recommended, or expand all requests, collapse all requests in the address bar. I will leave it at this one here because I've been doing pretty well with that one. So that's it. If you'd like to still give specific websites the permission and at the same time keep that global behavior to not allowing sites to send you notifications, simply select it and click into add here to allow specific websites to send you notifications. As an exceptional rule, simply click into this button and enter the URL address of the given website, and after that paste it here, click into add, and that is going to give the given website an exceptional or customized permission or behavior to send you these notifications. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.